Hello, everyone. Let me show you how to create an administrator user account on a Windows 11 computer. First, click the search icon and type user, then select Add Edit or Remove Other Users. This will open the account settings. Here, you'll see options like Add a Family Member and Add Other User. To create a new account, click Add Account. Windows will ask for an email address or phone number, but if you want to create a local account without using email, click I don't have this person's sign-in information. On the next screen, select Add a user without a Microsoft account. Now enter a username for the new account. You can also set a password and choose security questions in case you forget it. Once you're done, click Next. The new account will now be created. To give it administrator privileges, click on the account, then select Change Account Type. From the drop-down menu, choose Administrator and click OK. That's it. You've successfully created a local administrator account on Windows 11. You can follow the same steps on Windows 10 as well.